अच्छा, यहाँ पर जो रिमोट है उनके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है स्पेशली कि डू नॉट टच। आपको मतलब एक मुसीबत में डाल सकते हैं ये रिमोट। हाय मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून।
Good afternoon.
Can you please explain about this remote?
Yes, so basically these robots are used in hospitals and clinics to kind of help out patients and lighten the burden of medical staff. And what their functionalities differ according to robot. For example, this one gives screen. We have one which has an attachment for a wheelchair, where basically the patient can sit and the nurse or doctor or any staff can click on the location and it will go and drop the patient there. We have advanced robots like that. Let me show you. Like this, where basically it can also guide patients from one area to the another, and it can even book an appointment for and block it in the doctor's calendar. So this is a full-on, I would say, service desk, and it's good for hospitals if they want to, kind of, if they have too much flow or too much burden. So this can elevate the burden from them.
And what about this another one?
Yes, we have other robots here. Basically, we have delivery robots like that, where basically, and also patient in care. So for example, a patient is lying on the bed, they talk to the robot and ask the nurse, can I get like a blanket or something? And the nurse sitting on her desk can receive that request and say, okay, put the blanket on the robot and click the room and it'll go to the room itself. So nurse still on her desk can manage patient requests and manage even more volumes.